Hi folks, Mac T here, and I got some lift struts we're going to go ahead and replace. I have these Stabilus lift struts that have been on for 2 years and 8 months, and I'm starting to get bumps on my head because it's coming down. So we're going to go ahead and replace lift struts, and I bought another pair of the Stabilus because, hey, I thought they worked pretty good. So let's see what they're doing. And this is what I have right here, yes. And they're the Liftomatics, as they say, and they're sold by some company, I forget where it is, but anyway, made in Mexico. They seem to be working pretty good, and I'm going to go ahead and replace what I have on there now with the same thing, because I've tried others and these seem to be working the best for me. So let's go ahead and see what it means when they wore out. Now this is essentially the before, and as you can see when you lift, they're done. They're done for. So we're going to go ahead and replace these struts because they're not working. And there's a little bit of oil on these, but not much. But I think they've just lost their charge, and that's all there is to it. So we're going to go ahead and replace them. Well, first things first, we're going to go ahead and make sure we make these things nice and stable. And what I've done is I've gotten this tube, this plastic tube, and I have cut it. That's right, it's cut. And I'm going to show you a neat little trick to do this. That way you don't end up with this thing falling on your head. Now all you really have to do is take this little tube, put it on here down at the base, take a pair of vice grips, tighten them up, and clamp them in. This way it don't fall down on your head while you're changing the other strut. So let's go ahead and change that one. But basically all you do is position this here in like so. And the other one, lift it up just a bit. And that's it. That's all you got to do. It's in, it's ready to go. So then we release this clamp. So I don't know if this is going to need it because we got the new strut mount on there. So let's see how it does. But we're going to go ahead and pry this one off. Get that clip. And it's not going to hold it too much. But we can just pull that one off of there. And you can hold it with one hand if you are ambidextrous enough to do it. Slide that one in there. There you go. You got both of them in. Now let's test it out and see if it lifts any better with the new struts. It's cold out, but let's see. Go ahead and lift it up. There we go. That's about the tipping point. And they're up. That's all we wanted at, and we got it. So this is how you quick replace them. Keep in mind they don't last forever, and as evidence, new ones are needed. And this also goes for your powered lift gates too. Once these get weak, the powered lift gate may not work good. So that might be because your struts are worn. So go ahead and replace this. Well folks, Mac T, that's right. Like, join, subscribe, and learn how to repair your vehicles as you go through the day. And my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. Like, join, subscribe, Mac T Ford Edge on Facebook, and also on YouTube, and Mac T Garage on YouTube also. Band of One's got some great music to play, and Mercy Grill's got a couple one-liners.
Thank you for watching Mac T's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.